Hey everyone, welcome to my house tour. Today I shoot two videos. One in morning and one in night time. So hope you enjoy.
First of all, kitchen. This is our kitchen. I love this design. But I don't like too much light, multicolor. I only like one color light. I love this design. And also this combination. Beautiful, but white and red. Hope you also like. So let's start. Washroom area. Stairs for terrace. Wash basin. I also love this design, wash basin design. Let's start. This is TV panel. And beautiful light. How's this design? Small boxes. And this is my room. I decorate properly. These are my almirah, and this is divan set. I purchased this divan set from Holy Mela Sujanpur. And almirah sofa set. Let's go to another room. Which one is study room? This is our study room, my and Shiu. And this is my chair. I love to sit here and enjoy study. Look at the view, beautiful location. And also atmosphere. Only one thing which I don't like, too much color of light. I love only one color, anyone, but it's okay. And this is Sanaya room. Sanaya bed, Sanaya walking chair. When she was little baby, now she don't use this chair. So these are Sanaya almirahs. And these are Sanaya's toys. Sanaya have too many toys. Sanaya love to play. These all are her birthday gift. There are so many gifts of Sanaya birthday. I love this almirah also, just because of this structure. And this is computer for my brother, and these are some light also. Mirror for Sanaya makeup. This is Sanaya queen. Dressing table. And look at the location. Beautiful view inside Sanaya room. Hope you like our house tour. I also love this color, red color. So hope you like our house design and color and everything. Thanks for watching. This is our old house and there is our little garden and Shiv temple. This is our Shiva temple. So bye bye. I'm going to show you view from our terrace. Let's go. Look at the view. Peaceful Himachal. And these are our crops and so many fruit, vegetable in our kitchen garden. There are some apple, guava, lychee, mango, so many. And you can also see gaves, garlic. These are so many garlic. Look at this. And this is our boundary wall. Little.
So welcome in another video which I shoot tonight. Hope you like. Good morning everyone. This is my house tour. This side room area and this side kitchen.